Guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here, and I just want to show you some of the stuff I bought just recently, kit-wise. And I got the first one right here, which is the Beach Boys, the Rockin' Rods, the Beach Boys Little Deuce Coupe. Very cool kit, based on the 32 convertible that's very popular, and got it for a good price off eBay. This is another 32 Ford, but a 5-window coupe. I found on eBay, of course, right after the Rockin' Rods one. This is AMT Ertl. Has stock and custom features, so that's a very cool kit. I got a 32 Ford Vicky I found off eBay. Luckily to win the bid on this one. Very cool car. I like that body style. And this is where the Crown Vic actually got its name. Its roots came from right here, this car. So, and I'll unbox it when I get a chance. And we got a 39 Chevy Street Rod Deluxe kit, molded in yellow. Yes, it does come with the paint and glue and brush. And a very cool car. And I got another one of these 40 Ford sedan with the 39 parts in it, 39 Ford parts in it. And I just thought it'd be kind of a cool kit to build, you know? So, let me get to the next stash. Alright guys, well this is another Ford I found, 49 Ford Coupe. I just purchased a 1950, I'm waiting on that one now. But I got this one now. So that was a very cool one there. Got this one, this is a Tim Flock's 52 Hudson stock car. You probably remember me building this one on my channel. And a lot of these kits you see are either eBay or I-76 Antique Mall. So this is a cool kit right here. So and we got another one for my Trans Am set, 93 Pontiac Trans Am. If you remember, looking straight across over there, I got the 97 Trans Am. So got the 93 right here. So not much difference, maybe the wheels, but you know, it's a monogram. I don't mind monograms, and doing these, and they're pretty cool. And it got me another Chevrolet S10, this time with the sports side. It's a 96 LS sports side, and got it for a decent price off eBay. So I'm kind of building a collection up there because I want to build my real truck, which was is either a 99 or 2000 or 2001 S10 extended cab with long bed. So, but I got this one also, and for all you Mopar fans here, I picked up this one at a flea market. 2009 Dodge Challenger by Revell. I was looking at maybe doing this one sooner or later. I'm not sure when, but figure this one would be a cool kit to do. So let me reset. So here is my whole stash ads right here, 10 of them. So hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys. All right, y'all have a good day.